Good morning to you. I'm echoey because I'm coming to you from the school's hospitality building. My brain, need more coffee. And I'm lucky enough to be able to borrow it, hire it, and do cooking classes. And so the title of this is Keto Isn't Fad, and here's why. And I'll show you what we're going to cook with today. Keto is super misunderstood. It's a couple of 100 years old. Keto is short for ketosis, and ketosis is where you lower your blood sugar and your intake of glucose and glycogen sufficiently enough for your body to release the stores. Just like our ancestors did in the long cold winter. In summer and spring, they ate, they feasted. And then come winter, when food was a bit scarcer, they had this amazing stash of energy on their bodies to burn, so they didn't die. And that's all ketosis actually is. So when you hear keto described as a fad, it's actually not a fad. It's clean, real, healthy food that balances your blood sugar, balances your hormones, and that means you can sleep better, you've got less cravings, you make better choices, your skin starts to glow, your mood improves, blah, de blah, de blah, all the stuff you have heard me ramble on about over the last few years. Simple. Okay, so today I'm wearing Christmas earrings because we're doing Christmas in July, and Christmas, my family have always done roasts. It's like we eat roasts it's 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 100 billion%, but we still eat roasts. Anyway, so today we're cooking a pork belly because pork belly is like super easy, one of my favorites. It's almost impossible to bugger up. And with that, we're going to have a beautiful vegetable medley. We're going to have lava cakes and some chocolate mousse. We might make it Jaffa, actually, like a Jaffa mousse with berries. Yum. So, seriously, like that's keto. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. So I am passionate about teaching people how to do that. So let me show you. Well, firstly, it wouldn't be Christmas without a Christmas tree, would it? So I've got the crackers. Now, hello Felicia, all of those exciting, it's not much Christmas. I had to go digging in my shed to get Christmas. I want to show you what we're cooking with today, and I want to give you hello cousin, how are you, Nick? Nice to see you. I want to show you what I'm cooking with today and what I'll be teaching people today. So this is filled with tips and tricks and just how on earth you can just go to clean eating, because, hello Lisa, because it's hard to, so like when you think about doing this, it's challenging, right? So I just want to show you and talk about some of the stuff that we're using to make it easy for you. So I'm going to turn you around because I'm pretty sure you don't want to be looking at my beautiful dangly Christmas earrings, even though I'm like, anywho, let me turn you around. Good morning, Felicia, and I'll show you what we're cooking with today. Seriously, I need a haircut. Okay, so let's start this end. Xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is one of the things you can use to add stability to stuff. So xanthan is, it's kind of like a gelatin in a way, and it kind of is a binding or a stabilizing agent. A little bit goes a very, very, very long way. I must show you this. I've half cooked this. Oh, pork belly. I'm going to teach them how to make a gravy using xanthan gum today. Poppy seeds, and I've got some mustard seeds because we're going to make a broccoli slaw. Oh my God, so good, so easy. And all of this stuff you can actually feed people for Christmas whenever you're entertaining, so it doesn't have to be Christmas. This is easy, no-brainer food. Fresh herbs, these are out of my garden. My poor old mint is looking a bit straggly, so I did actually go and buy some mint, which I'll plant this afternoon. Lemons are always good. Any kind of citrus with the peel. Lemons and limes are my favourites. This is a very clean product called Greek Out, and the reason I like these, I do sell them. If you go to ketocapers.com.au, both with Ks, so keto capers with 2 Ks. The reason I like these is because they're super clean. So look, garlic, salt, mint, oregano, onion, black pepper, thyme, lemon peel, fennel seeds, rosemary, marjoram. There is nothing shitty in there. It's all real food. And so real food is not numbers. Real food isn't numbers. I love smoked paprika. You can get sweet or you can get non-sweet paprika. It adds a balance of flavour to anything. It's beautiful. Good morning, Melissa. Stock. I often make my own, but I was far too lazy today. I've got a couple of chicken carcasses that I've pulled the flesh off that I'll be making later. I'm really liking Mingle at the moment. You can get Mingle from Coles. This stuff I literally use by the bucketful. Now, I would normally make my own seasonings. However, again, we're clean. Look, garlic, onion, paprika, pink salt, bell peppers, so capsicums, marjoram, black pepper, and a bit of chili. Like this is my go-to. And so just if I'm a bit lazy and I don't want to blend my spices, but we're using herbs as well. Hello, Kim. Now, tomato paste. You can add a dimension to any meal using tomato paste, but the most important thing is you want to be looking for no numbers. Now, this one doesn't really have any numbers. What I like about it is it doesn't have any sugar. So basically it's tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, acidity, regulator. I don't love that, but it's like a citric acid of some sort, so that's okay. There's no nasties in there, and that's just the home brand Woolies. Coles has one too. This stuff you can get on my website or you can get it at Coles. Now, this is the bomb. Sugar replacements you don't want them to taste like sugar replacement because that's icky. So this stuff here is an erythritol blend. The good sweeteners, if you're replacing sugar, are erythritol, stevia, monk fruit, and even better, xylitol, even better if they're a blend because they counteract each other and take away the nastiness. Pink salt, always a staple. They lied about salt. We actually need salt. There was absolutely no proven no proven fact to say that salt was bad for us. It's a myth that became law, and it's wrong. One of the simplest things you can do is add some pink salt to your morning and watch, the headache go away or the cravings go away. Eggs from my chicks. Almond meal, almond flour. The difference between these is basically the fineness and the husk. This isn't a bad one, it's a Coles, but Woolies has one. If you've got a Costco near you, this is a terrific product that you can use for anything. And then if it's not, if it's a bit rough, you can actually blitz it in the blender and make it finer. And finer almond meal or finer almond flour gives you a smoother, better product. So I would use the rough ones if I'm making bases for cheesecakes and stuff like that. Olive oil. There are a couple of, there's a lot of different kinds of olive oil. This is just an Aldi one. It's probably not the best quality in the world, but I use this in a lot of cooking because it has a very mild flavour. This is the one you want to use if you're making mayos or salad dressings, just the one that says mild. Again, a bit of Flavorista, which you'll find on Keto Capers. I freaking love this stuff. This is a garlic olive oil. And you can see I literally go through bucket loads of it. Must play with making my own, but I'm lazy. I'm taking the easy option. Mushroom salt and Italian herbs. Again, look how clean this stuff is. So oregano, so onion, garlic, capsicum, basil, rosemary, marjoram, salt and pepper. So super easy. Of course, my very favourite tool in the whole world that puts you into ketosis. Again, you can get details on my website. And then this is just from Woolies or Coles. The thing I like about this Lindt chocolate, it's a dark chocolate. It's very low in carbs, but let me hold that so you can see it. It's really low in ingredients and the sugar is right down the bottom. So you guys will know that the more sugar there is in a product, the higher in the ingredient list it actually is. So, what else do I need to tell you? That's what I'm cooking with today. And so we'll use the oils and the spices for flavor, because flavor, like when your food is real and you're eating seasonal and fresh and you're banging it full of flavor, like that's where the gold is. That's when food becomes exciting and interesting, and it's not boring. Like there was somebody on TikTok grilling me about being repetitive. It's crap. You just need to Google your favorite food and put keto in front of it. Like truly, you can do anything. And the magic is in learning how to use the spices, learning how to use the ingredients, because they're different to what we're used to. But that's all keto is, like truly, where you get to unlock your fat bits. And who doesn't want to unlock their fat bits? I've spent 45 years, 50 years, trying to unlock my fat bits the hard way. Fat doesn't make you fat. Truly, it doesn't. Now, I have got more ingredients up in the fridge up there, but seriously, if I walk up there, I'll lose you. And it's just things like yogurt, sour cream, good quality cheese, all of those sorts of things. Hello, Jude. So yeah, I think clean, seasonal, real food without numbers, there's your key. For all of you asking about cooking classes online, I'm getting there. I just got to work out how to do it. Like, I just want the technology to be right, but I am getting there. Can you give me a comment? Would you like to see cook a lot, or would you like to just watch? Do you like to watch? Said that out loud. And I've got people. So, hi. Hi, come on in. Cool, have an amazing day. Smile at somebody today, and please tell people that fat doesn't make you fat and salt isn't going to kill you. Bye.